Morning guys, welcome to another episode of Prodigy Hayes Fishing. I haven't posted a video in a while, but I did go fishing last week. I will be adding the fish I caught last week to this week's footage, and we'll see what we can come up with today. We'll merge all the catches from today's session and last week's session. Hopefully we can get you some good content. Tune in guys. Oh, I'm on. There you go. Again. Where's he trying to take me? Another flatty. Another flatty. That's two. That's two flatties. That's two flatties for the day. First one was 47. Yeah. Gonna release him. Yeah. Shouldn't be eating from here anyways. Agent Orange. You ever heard of that?
Oh, really?
Chemicals spilt out roads. It's just all over Parramatta River. Really? But you're all right. There you go. There you go. Off he goes. There you go. Yeah, it's stuck on something. It's a Trevor for sure. Tried to hook me. Come on, Trevor. Yep, he's off. I know what you're doing, mate. I know what you're doing. It's a flatty. He tried to hook me. Good size flatty too, but he tried. Alright. See you later, mate. Off you go. Snags you. There you go, I'm on. Got a nice little flatty. Oh. The bird's flying, but there's no, there's no. There you go. I just want to finish our video with a pelagic species. There we go. There's plastics in the world, mate. Add a scent to it. I like to put some scent on the tail as well, because that's what. All right. we can come up with, guys. Felt like that cast wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. I can cast better than that. We'll see where the water's going. It's low tide. Low tide's coming up around 8 o'clock. The water's dropping down, so... Oh, on already. Look at that. That's a flatty for sure. Literally first cast, guys, and I'm on already. It's a flathead for sure. Oh, looks like a Brembo. That's a Brembo. Whoa! First cast, guys. Look at that. Good size Brembo too. That's a good size Brembo. Straight on. Literally the first cast, guys. First cast. How big do you go, mate? See how big he goes. Oh, he's a 30. See that, guys? He's a 30. He's a 31 and a half. Hooked on the 2.5 inch pillartail grub. He's a good size. He looks like a healthy bream. I am going to release him. Don't really eat from Parramatta River, you know, unless I do eat, you know, if it's a pelagic species such as a kingfish, I'll probably take it home, but not all the time, obviously. Anyways, it's time to release this nice good sized Brembo. Good sized Brembo. 31 and a half. Off you go. Off he goes. Oh, he swam right to the corner there to smash those oysters. Oh guys, that was good. Not bad for a first cast. Bigger last week, that's for sure. Not fighting. Oh, it is fighting. Oh, nice. What is it? What is it? It's okay, let it fight. Oh, that's a big flatty. That is a big flatty. Oh my God. That's a big flatty, guys. How am I going to land this? That's a huge flatty. That is a huge flatty, guys. Look at the size of that. That's my PB for sure. That is my PB for sure, guys. Wow. That's a huge flatty. Oh my God, that is a huge flatty. I have never seen that is a huge flatty. Got him. Oh wow, that is my PB flatty, guys. Look at the size of that. That's a big girl. Oh wow, that is a huge flatty. I've netted it well. Wow, it's a big flatty. She is huge. On. Oh, she's 60. That's good. That's still a big flatty though. That's a big one for me. That's my PB, that's for sure. 60, well 60 on the dot. Awesome. Hey guys, look at the size of this flatty. Whoa. Nice 60 centimeter flatty. Big girl. Now it's time to release her. Time to release you. Off she goes. Look at the size of her. Swimming away. Oh, I'm on. There we go. Nice. Back with the plastics, but it's a small fish. That flatty? Flatty. It's not that big. Average size. There we go. Not as big as the other one. Not as big as that. Ow. He got me. Fuck, he got me. He got me, guys. He got me. I should have used a... He got me well. That's alright. I need your stomach there, buddy. Feisty little bastard, aren't you? You're feisty, aren't you? You're feisty. He's feisty. Let me grab him. That's what I should have. Yeah, mate. You're alright. Got your big brother earlier today. That's alright. Need that grease. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Don't worry, I'll let you go. Next time, guys, use a rag. Oh man, oh, that sucks. That looks horrible. And that's it for today, guys. Got a bit unlucky at the end there, getting spiked by that flatty. Highlight of this session was that 60 centimeter flatty. Big girl. I thought it was bigger, but yeah, I'll take that. It's definitely my PB. And hope you enjoyed last week's footage and this week's footage. I merged them all together. And look out for more content. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Catch you in the next video, guys. See ya.